Digicam versus Lightroom versus Darktable. Which photo software is best? If you're a photographer or just someone who loves managing and editing photos, you've probably heard of these three. All are powerful tools for organizing and enhancing your photos, but they each have their own strengths. So let's go ahead and break down how they compare against each other. Now let's start with Digicam. So, Digicam is an open source photo management software that works great for organizing large photo collections. It's packed with features like tagging, facial recognition, and geotagging. Pros: completely free and open source, powerful photo organization and tagging tools, supports raw editing and batch processing, runs on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. There are some setbacks. Editing tools are basic compared to Lightroom and Darktable. Interface can feel complex for beginners. Less polished user experience. Now, this is best for photographers who want strong organization features and free software across platforms. Next, we've got Adobe Lightroom. So, this is pretty much the industry standard for photo editing and management. It offers powerful editing tools, cloud syncing, and a smooth user-friendly interface. Pros: professional grade editing features, seamless cloud integration and syncing, great presets and AI based enhancements, and also a strong community with tutorials. Cons: subscription based pricing, requires internet for cloud features, can be resource heavy on older computers. Now, this is best for professionals and serious hobbyists who want advanced editing and cloud access. Next, we have Darktable. This is a free open source alternative to Lightroom, focusing on raw photo editing. It offers powerful editing features and a non-destructive workflow. Let's talk about the pros. So, it is free and open source, professional raw editing tools, non-destructive edits with history tracking, and it also is cross-platform, Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Cons: less intuitive interface than Lightroom, no cloud syncing, and it is a steeper learning curve for beginners. Now, this is best for photographers who want powerful raw editing without subscription fees. So go with Digicam if you want a free open source photo organizer with basic editing, or pick Adobe Lightroom if you want professional editing, cloud sync, and easy workflows and don't mind paying a subscription. Or simply go for Darktable if you want a free Lightroom alternative focusing on raw editing with powerful tools but no cloud features.